Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. So it was Ramadan holiday, so I was not able to make videos. It was a very long weekend. I had 3 days of holiday because Ramadan is our festival, so we couldn't post any video. Anyway, you know that I was short in the market. In fact, I had huge short positions in the market, and I expected, if you see Nifty chart, I expected Nifty to touch somewhere around 17,500 levels. In fact 17,500 levels, but contrary to my expectation, market went from 17,000, instead of coming to 17,500 levels, it is now at 17,800 levels, and going forward we may see the 18,000 levels also. And if you ask me why, simple, FIAs have huge long position. In fact, they have increased their long position by 400%. So that is what is worrying. So FIA data, even if you see FIA data today, FIA data is kind of bullish, that they have sold. They are net sellers, but they have sold in less quantity. They have sold in number of around 400 crores, and DIIs have bought around 600 crores. And you know what is the main thing? In spite of all this thing, in spite of global market, if you see the global market, US futures, as I talk to you, US futures are all in the red. In fact, the Dow Jones is down by 135 points, and S&P, Nasdaq, everything is down, and we are going on the higher side thanks to earnings season, Indian earnings season. We have many earnings. It was Reliance. When we were on holiday, it was Reliance. Then it was ICICI Bank, and it had a domino effect, and you know what happened, it rallied. Now I have a hypothesis, like if you know what is hypothesis, things which I believe and which I tell, which may not happen. Usually things may not happen, and in fact I'll tell you what happened. I had 17,800 call options written, huge quantity in Nifty for 27th expiry, and we had to book a heavy loss. We had to book a not heavy loss, a significant loss in 17,800 call option also. So I didn't expect 17,800. In fact, I didn't expect the Nifty to break 17,700, but it was very unfortunate. Nifty broke 17,700. Right now, what is happening here is Nifty is bullish, but Bank Nifty is not bullish. Let me show you the Bank Nifty chart. So this is the Bank Nifty chart, and if you see the Bank Nifty chart for last 2 or 3 trading session, it has been or let's say today also it has been kind of sideways, and it was, if you see it on a daily chart pattern, let me show you it. If you see it on a daily chart pattern, it has formed a doji kind of thing, doji or inverted hammer kind of thing. Today's price action, I'm saying candlestick, today's price action is a form of doji pattern, right? Doji pattern or somewhere inverted hammer. So last 2 or 3 days after the ICICI result, it is only Bank Nifty, it was only ICICI Bank which was going up, and IndusInd Bank was going up. After that, we didn't see any momentum on the higher side. But what we can do is, or what my perspective about the stock market, or what my perspective about Nifty and Bank Nifty is, that it may move on the higher side. Just because FIAs are long in index short position, they have increased their long position by 400 points. So the probability of market going on the higher side is very, very high. That is what is my anticipation, and we may see market going on the higher side in spite of negative global cues. And in fact, if you are aware what is happening on the US global markets, we have lots of data coming up in US market, and there is also going to be interest rate hike. And in fact, this time they have told they will be increasing the interest rate by at least 50 basis points. So if that is going to happen, that is going to be shocker. A 50 basis point hike in interest rate will take US interest rate to around 7.25, and that is going to be the highest since 2007. So be careful about that. Market may trap you. So this is just a small thing which I want to tell you. So we'll see how things pan out, and obviously tomorrow as I talk to you, even though US global markets are showing in the red, US futures are showing in the red, SGX Nifty is positive only, so we might it's not market is not ready to come on the downside. That is the problem, right? So we might have to, we might even it's like what is happening is like if the US market is flat, we are gapping up 100 points, and if the US markets are even low, we are not gapping down. We are just gapping down by 100 or 200 points, and it is going. Now bears tried so much, they tried everything for the last 2 or 3 trading session or 5 or 6 trading session. They have been trying to bring the market this 17,600. I don't know what is the attachment with this 17,600. 17,600 was tested at least 4 to 5 times in the last how many 4 or 5 trading sessions before this holiday season, before this weekend, Ramadan weekend. We saw Nifty touching 17,600 at least 4 or 5 times, and Bank Nifty, we saw Bank Nifty touching that 42,000, not 42,000. In fact, I think Bank Nifty is above 42,500 somewhere. But 41,000, I think 41,000 or 41,500 was very resilient, was a very good support, and it couldn't it is let me this is new to me, so please bear with me. So 41,000, 42,000, we are sitting, Nifty is Bank Nifty is at around 42,800, and at least we tried, Bank Nifty tried 42,000 to break. 42,000 was tested. 42,000 was tested at least 3 to 4 times in Bank Nifty, and 17,600. Now my perspective or my expectation is that the market may go on the higher side, and we are long, and who knows, this might be a trap. That's why I'm saying this might be a trap, and markets may trap us. We really don't know. And the best part is that India VIX is coming down. You know, India VIX, how much? India VIX is around 11.50. This 11.50 I saw maybe 2015 or 2016. I saw this India VIX is around 11 point. In fact, to be precise, India VIX is just above around 11. Yes, around 11.50, and these levels I saw in 2013 or not 2013, after 2015. So that is how the market is behaving. And you know what the best part is? In spite of, if you add up, if you do a short straddle in Nifty, combined premium, you will not get even 200 points. Maybe only 150 points you will get. But Nifty is moving, making 2-way, 3-way move more than a swing of more than 150 or 100 200 points. So that is how the markets are. So what we can do, if you want to avoid this kind of market, all you have to do is go for long-term options, or maybe 1 month or 2 months, or maybe even 3 months away. You can avoid the noises. What will happen is, you can trade these ones, but you will have gamma effect in weekly options. So you will tend to make losses in weekly option, unless until you are a very professional trader. If you are an amateur trader, weekly options are not going to work in favor of you, right? So I expect the market, my perspective is that I expect the market to go on the higher side. FIs have 400% increase their longs, they have future long 400% increase in future long. So try to go long in the market, even if it gaps down. I don't think 17,600 is going to be taken out, and 42,000, so Bank Nifty 42,000 is going to be taken out. In case there is any bad news, the probability of taking 42,000 and 17,600 is high, but I don't see any negative news as of now. Till US markets, or till US FOMC data, or till Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell is going to come out and increase the interest rate by 50 basis point, we are not going to see any downward trajectory. Markets are likely to go on the higher side only. So this is my perspective. I hope you enjoyed this video. If I have done any mistake, sorry for the inconvenience. We'll improve this whatsoever we are doing here, right? Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.